Hi, Shayla with WTI. And if you're anything like me, you go through some batteries. This POWEROWL 8-bay smart battery charger comes with 8 rechargeable AA batteries, and it is amazing for at home or on the go. It's got a great compact size, so if you want to throw it in your bag, you are good to go. And you're going to be able to use it pretty much anywhere. It has this universal USB-C cord, so we know we have everything to plug that into. And I love the indicator lights on this. So green showing me I have 6 batteries good to go, but as you can see, the 2 that are flashing red that I just plugged in are not ready. So I usually use 4 at a time. So this is awesome to have 4 that I need, 4 as backup. I tend to go through some AA batteries with my photography, and I can never have enough in my flash. So to save money on having to constantly buy AA batteries by being able to recharge them with this amazing little charger that has this super rapid charge, overall it has been a game changer for me. So if you're anything like my family and AA batteries are a very hot commodity, this POWEROWL rechargeable battery bay is amazing to have, and that is my point of view.